Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tin tomatoes at home. First, choose about 5 pounds of ripe, firm tomatoes, ensuring they are free from any soft spots. Wash them well under cool, running water and remove the stems. Next, sterilize your canning jars and lids in boiling water for at least 10 minutes to ensure food safety. This initial preparation is crucial for a successful batch. Now, let's process those tomatoes. Blanch them in boiling water for 30 to 60 seconds until the skins just begin to split. Quickly transfer them to an ice bath to stop the cooking process. This makes peeling incredibly easy. Once cooled, the skins should slip right off. Then, core each tomato, removing the tough white part at the top, and you're ready for the next step. With your tomatoes peeled and cored, it's time to prepare them for jarring. Roughly chop the tomatoes into desired pieces or crush them for a smoother consistency. Carefully fill your sterilized jars, leaving 1/2 inch of headspace at the top. Wipe the rims clean, apply the lids, and process them in a boiling water bath for 45 minutes to ensure a proper seal and preservation. After processing, let your jars cool completely on a counter for 12 to 24 hours. Check that each lid has sealed properly. It should be concave and not flex when pressed. Store your homemade canned tomatoes in a cool, dark pantry where they will last for up to 18 months. They're perfect for sauces and stews. Also, for more great tips and deals, including a fantastic book on money, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.